Unless you have the courage to speak the truth, lies will always win. The most two important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. Mark Twain. Only I can change my life. No one can do it for me. Carol Burnett. Do good for others. It will come back in unexpected ways. To succeed in life, you need three things: a wishbone, a backbone, and a funny bone. The best feeling ever is realizing you are not sad anymore over something you are sure you would never get over. You cannot go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. If you are reading this, it's too late. I already sent good vibes your way. They are coming. There is nothing you can do to stop them. Inspiration comes from within yourself. One has to be positive. When you are positive, good things happen. When you need something to believe in, start with yourself. Life is not defined by what you bring, but rather by what you leave behind. The first step. God stands by us when we are down. He encourages us when we think of quitting, and He guides us when things seem confusing. Hold on to Him. Be thankful for all the struggles you go through. They make you stronger, wiser, and humble. Don't let it break you. Let it make you. Believe that something amazing is around the corner and it has your name on it. Have faith. Keep your head up. Your thoughts positive and your heart open to the blessings on the way. We thank you, God, for all that you give. The lives we live, the food we eat, and for our loved ones. Lord, help us all to live our days with thankful hearts and loving ways. You don't always need a plan, something you just need to breathe, trust, let go, and see what happens. Happiness often sneaks in through a door you did not know you left open. There are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. I have not failed, I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Thomas Alva Edison. Today I will not stress over things I can't control. Life changes very quickly in a very positive way. If you let it. If people are doubting how far you can go so far that you cannot hear them anymore. You don't need a new sunrise to start over. You only need a new mindset. As we work to create light for others, we naturally light our own way. Mary Ann Radmacher. Your mind will always believe everything you tell it. Feed it faith, feed it truth, feed it with love. The quickest way to double your money is to fold over and put back it in your pocket. Will Rogers. Without rain, nothing grows. Learn to embrace the storms of your life. Be thankful for what you have. Stand up straight and realize who you are, that you tower over your circumstances. If you find it in your heart to care for somebody else, you will have succeeded. Success is liking yourself, liking what you do, and liking how you do it. Maya Angelou. Associate yourself with people of good quality, for it is better to be alone than in a bad company. Booker T. Washington. Few things help an individual more than to place responsibility upon him and to let him know that you trust him. I am for truth, no matter who tells us. I am just for justice, no matter who it is for or against. I am a human being, first and foremost, and as such I am for whatever benefits humanity as a whole. A leader is like a shepherd. He stays behind the flock, letting the most nimble go out ahead, whereupon the others follow, not realizing that all along they are being directed from behind. Nelson Mandela. I have a dream that my four little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of the skin but the content of their character. Martin Luther King. Give people time, give people space. Don't beg anyone to stay. Let them roam. What's meant for you, you will always be yours. Children have never been very good at listening to their elders, but they have never failed to imitate them. James A. Baldwin. The most common way people give up their power is by thinking they don't have any. Alice Walker. Life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but by the moments that take our breath away. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Nothing is worth more than this day. Health is the greatest gift, contentment, the greatest wealth, faithfulness, the best relationship. Change is never painful, only resistance to change is painful. To be kind is more important than to be right. Many times, what people need is not a brilliant mind that speaks, but a special heart that listens. Thank you.